friend of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to locate location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is see-through. That means that location is off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well. Over here, scroll all the way down and tap on location section here. Then manage location of your device by tapping on this switcher next to location access. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!